Bitcoin trades near $44,000, Ether stays below $2,300. India's digital rupee crossed 1 million transactions in one day. Marathon Digital breaks own record with 1,853 Bitcoin mined in December. ARK Invest sells another 166,000 Coinbase shares worth $25 million. Microsoft to add AI capital key in first Windows keyboard update in 30 years. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA market staged a strong comeback in the past 24 hours as investors remained optimistic about US spot BTC ETF approval soon. Bitcoin traded above the $44,000 crucial mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
The IC 15 index of cryptocurrency was trading up by 1.5% at 55,700 points. Speculations over spot BTC exchange-traded fund approval by the SEC led to a wild fluctuation in prices. As per the Singapore-based research firm Matrix Port's note, the SEC is set to reject all current ETF applications as the board is dominated by anti-crypto lawmakers. Meanwhile, Matrix Port research head Marcus Thelian expects the SEC to allow spot-based ETFs, but Bitcoin may fall to lower prices in the coming weeks as technical indicators signal the uptrend is faltering. He believes investors will shift focus to Ether once spot Bitcoin ETFs are approved. Many observers believe that a product to sail through safely. The speculation triggered massive liquidation pressure of around $500 million. In other news, according to data from Deribit, nearly 21,900 Bitcoin options contracts worth $955 million are set to expire on January 5th, which is likely to have an impact on crypto market trends, analysts said. Moving on, a recent survey by Bitwise and Verify suggested that only 39% of financial advisors expect a spot BTC approval this year. Further, 88% of those advisors see the spot ETF as a major catalyst and would be interested in buying Bitcoin after approval. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.67 trillion mark, increasing 1.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes decreased by 34% to $78.3 billion. Meanwhile, Ethereum's Layer 2 TVL reached an all-time high of $21.16 billion, registering an increase of 333% since January 2023, with Arbitrum dominating the L2 space with a market share of nearly 50%, reports highlighted. Most altcoins are buried in red as well, with the total crypto market cap declining by about $150 billion at one point yesterday. Going forward, MicroStrategy Executive Chairman Michael Saylor has begun a 4-month process of selling $216 million worth of his shares in his firm MicroStrategy, previously stating part of it would be used to buy more Bitcoin. US stock futures traded lower ahead of a key jobs report as Wall Street tries to shake off a sluggish start to January. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average had traded lower by 0.16%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures fell 0.16% and 0.22% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $44,020, up 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1.6%, trading at $2,257. BNB was down by 0.5% to trade at $318.5. Solana SOL was up 2.2% and was trading at $100. Cardano's ADA token was down by 2.7% to trade at $0.54. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $37, higher 0.8%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 0.5% to trade at $0.84. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 1% at $0.083. Shiba Inu was trading up by 2.1%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.57, down by 1%. Polkadot was down by 1% to trade at $7.5.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. India's central bank digital currency, the digital rupee, crossed 1 million transactions in a day on December 27, 2023, but with at least a little help from retail banks' own employees. The usage of the word day reflects this was a one-time milestone and it is likely not a daily occurrence yet. However, the stated original target was 1 million transactions per day by the end of 2023. It is not clear whether usage has hit a daily transaction volume of more than 1 million. The 1 million transactions milestone for one day was achieved after some government-owned and private sector banks deposited the salaries and benefits of their employees into their CBDC wallets last month, according to Reuters. The report named HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank, Canara Bank, and IDFC First Bank. The RBI is running both retail and wholesale CBDC pilots. The retail CBDC pilot is active in more than 15 cities with more than a dozen banks participating. The pilot began on December 1, 2022, but the RBI has not announced a timeline for rolling out a full-scale retail CBDC. Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital Holdings has notched itself a new production record, mining more Bitcoin in December 2023 than any month before. According to a Jan 4 press release, the Florida-based firm reported mining 1,853 Bitcoin in December, a 56% increase from November and a 290% increase from December 2022. Marathon chairman and CEO Fried Thiel said the record-setting monthly production could be attributed to an 18.4% monthly increase in hash rate to 22.4 exahashes per second. On December 19, Marathon announced plans to purchase 2 mining centers for $179 million, which will see an additional 390 megawatts of mining capacity added to its existing 584 megawatt output. Cathie Wood, Zarkin West sold $25 million worth of crypto exchange Coinbase shares on Jan 3 as the stock dropped 3% to $152.24. The United States-based asset management company has divested more than $125 million of shares in the exchange since December 2023. Zarkin West said in a Jan 4 post on X that it purchased 105,201 Tesla shares worth nearly $25.3 million after the coin sell-off. ARK Innovation ETF bought 91,194 Tesla shares, and ARK Next Generation Internet ETF purchased 14,070 SLA shares. Well, despite continuing to sell Coinbase stock recently, ARK still holds significant shares in the exchange, and Coinbase remains the biggest asset in the portfolio of the ARK ETF, accounting for more than $145 million of its total asset value as of Jan 4. Microsoft announced it will add an AI capped key to Windows keyboards. This marks the first new addition to the standard keyboard since the Windows key was added in 1994. The upcoming change was announced on the Windows Experience blog, where Executive Vice President and Consumer Chief Marketing Officer Yusuf Mehdi described 2024 as the year of Artificial Intelligence PC. According to the blog post, the new key will make it seamless to engage Caplet in your day-to-day. Presumably, once launched, pressing the key will summon Microsoft's Caplet virtual assistant. Well, there's currently no word on the exact functionality or if the UI experience will be customizable. Microsoft's pivot to AI began in earnest with its $1 billion investment in ChatGPT maker OpenAI in 2019. Subsequently, the Redmond company has now invested more than $10 billion in OpenAI and promises to integrate AI into every aspect of its product, services, and business going forward. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Meme Combat. Meme Combat is a new meme coin that combines the world of memes with the excitement of virtual battle arenas using the native MK token. The token drives the entire Meme Combat ecosystem, allowing players to place bets on fights between meme mascots like Doge and Pepe the Frog. Winners of each bet will receive additional MK tokens, which can be staked to earn yields exceeding 160% per year. 50% of the MK supply is available to pre-sale buyers, with 30% set aside for staking and battle rewards. The remaining 20% will be used to community rewards and liquidity for MK's Uniswap listing. Once the pre-sale hits its hard cap goal of $10 million, Meme Combat has emerged as an exciting new contender in the low-cap crypto space. Next on the list, we have Sponge. SpongeBob-inspired Sponge has seen a 17% increase in price following the release of Sponge version 2. The upgraded version offers more utility and incentives for holders, including the introduction of Stake to Bridge, allowing investors to lock up their Sponge tokens to earn Sponge version 2. With over 3.3 billion Sponge tokens already staked, the community's response to Sponge version 2 is overwhelmingly positive. The team has also promised to develop a play-to-earn racing game that integrates Sponge version 2, encouraging token holders to continue engaging with the ecosystem. With nearly 27,000 followers on the official Sponge Twitter page, hundreds of new members joining the Telegram community, Sponge version 2 could be a promising crypto to watch in early 2024, analysts believe. Sponge was trading at 7% up in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Myro. Solana-based token Myro has seen a 35% increase in the past 24 hours. The team aims to redefine the narrative around meme coins, focusing on real-world utility. Named after Raj Gokul's dog, Myro's social media appeal has grown. Despite having a market capitalization of just $30.6 million, Myro's rapid growth suggests it could be a promising investment in the future. The coin's attention has also benefited other trending meme coins like Bonk. Myro was trading at $0.05, up near 41% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu community has burned over 12 million tokens, raising the burn rate to 300%. The event occurred on January 2nd, 2024, as the community prepares for a new NFT project. The community took 12 million SHIB tokens out of circulation, reducing the number of SHIB in circulation to around 581 trillion. The burn left around half of the tokens' 1 quadrillion supply available. Burns are used to boost investor value and control inflation. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin burned 90% of the tokens sent after launching SHIB, leading to a 40% increase in SHIB's price. The community has announced upgrades to boost adoption, including partnering with D3 Global to create a Shiba Inu name tokens for new decentralized identity. Shiba Inu was trading at $3, up in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Meme Coin. In a surprising turn of events, Meme Coin has experienced an extraordinary surge in value after receiving a significant investment from Binance Labs, the venture capital and incubation arm of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, Binance. The announcement made by Binance Labs reveals that the investment is geared towards supporting Meme Coin's native ecosystem token and fostering the development of Memeland. Memeland, the brainchild of the creators behind the immensely popular meme platform 9gag, is independent Web3 venture studio. With a staggering monthly audience of 200 million users worldwide across its various channels, Memeland focuses on social fire and the creator economy. The primary objective of Memeland is to connect creators and communities through the innovative use of the meme token and non-fungible tokens, tapping into the vibrant culture of the meme internet. Meme token was trading at $0.02, down 18% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.freeversetv.io or scan the QR code.